Okay, do you fancy a potato reveal? Because I know I do. This is way overdue. This tub was planted with 2 Pentland Javelin seed potatoes last year, and I never got round to harvesting them. As you can see, we've got weeds growing in here. Anyway, let's tip this bad boy up and see what we've got. Wow, this is the best potato compost sandcastle I've ever seen. Alright, let's just break it open. See what we've got. Old seed potatoes, but no potatoes as of yet. I spoke too soon. The first 2. Alright, let's do it. There we go. Finally getting a few now. They are starting to sprout themselves. They've been in this pot for so long. But let's carry on. Alright, there you go. Not a bad return from 2 seed potatoes, quite modest really. That's probably the biggest one out of the bunch. And I've got a bunch of these tiny ones that had started to sprout. So I think I might replant some of these small ones. It's a little experiment to see what we get from a tiny potato. Anyway, that's it. Pentland Javelin potatoes in a tub for a year. This is the return. Well, as for the potatoes that I'm planting this year, well, they are the rocket variety salad potato, just like these. I won't be leaving them in the tub for a year. I will be harvesting them when they're ready later this year. Alright, thanks for watching if you have. Remember to comment, like and subscribe to the channel if you want to. And until the next video, bye for now.